Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to install any Chrome extension on Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, navigate to chromewebstore.google.com. This is Chrome's official extension store, and the great thing about Brave is that it's built on the same foundation as Chrome, which means you can use all the same extensions without any compatibility issues. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store homepage, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type the name of the extension you're looking for, then press enter. This will bring up a list of search results showing all the extensions that match your query. The search is pretty accurate, so you should see relevant results right away. From the search results that appear, browse through and click on the extension you want to install. This will take you to the extension's dedicated page where you can read more about what it does, see user reviews, and check out screenshots. It's always a good idea to quickly glance at the ratings and reviews to make sure the extension is reliable and does what you need it to do. Now look over to the right side of the page, you'll notice a button that says Add to Brave. This is the button you need to click to start the installation process. Even though it's the Chrome Web Store, Brave automatically detects that you're using its browser and changes the button text accordingly, making the process smooth and straightforward. After clicking that, a small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. This pop-up shows you what permissions the extension needs so you can review them before installing. Once you click it, Brave will download and install the extension in just a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, you'll want to access your newly installed extension. In the top right corner of your browser, you'll see the extension button. Click on it to view all your installed extensions, including the one you just added. From here, you can pin it to your toolbar for quick access or manage its settings depending on what the extension offers. And that's it. You've successfully installed a Chrome extension on your Brave browser, and you can now use it just like you would on Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.